y'all, and welcome to my channel. I am Sheree and you are tuning in to Slaying It with Ray. If you have not yet become a member of the Slay Gang and you would like to become one, go ahead and mash that subscribe button for me. If you are a returning member of the Slay Gang, then welcome back, sis. So as y'all can tell from the title of this video today, I'm going to be showing y'all the new restock that I have for the Slay Bands. So before, with the first stock, I only had the color purple. This restock, I went ahead and added more colors, which I thought were so pretty. I knew y'all were gonna love them. So I do have to add them to the site. I just did my unboxing, but I wanted to go ahead and show y'all the colors that we have in. So this is the purple. And this is how the packaging looks. It comes in a little protective case, and it's gonna have this little protective film over it. So we still have the purple colors. One of our new colors are black. Y'all, I thought these colors were so cute. And I chose these colors because these are all colors that are in my logo. So when I do things for my business, I try to keep things in the same color family. Just like with the 3-in-1 edge brushes, all of those colors are the same colors as these. So we have black as well. So you see the purple, we got the black. I also added pink, which the pink is so cute. We got the pink. And then the last color is this beautiful, beautiful blue. Like, look at how pretty that is, y'all. So I have new Slay Bands in stock, and then once this video is actually uploaded, the Slay Bands will already be on the website. So if you are wanting to purchase a Slay Band, it's going to be in the link in the description box. So you can click on the link using my website. You know, I'm gonna have my website in the description box, and you can click on that and feel free to shop. Now, like I said, we have the blue, we have the pink, we have purple, and we have black. So these are our new colors of the Slay Bands for the restock. I'm going to be adding these to the website. We have new Slay Bands in stock, so y'all feel free to go ahead and shop. Get your Slay Bands. They are back in stock. And I just wanted to take a little bit of time to just show y'all exactly the benefits, all the benefits of the Slay Band. So personally, when I use mine, which I have mine right here, as y'all can see, I'm sitting in my hair area. This is where I do my clients. So the lighting was good. I'm just already sitting right here. So this is my Slay Band that I use. This is just this.
Hey girl, slow down.
This is what y'all see me use in my videos. This is the one that I have on my arm. So the Slay Band is actually magnetic. So say you do sew-ins, you could clip your needles to it. I have a needle right here, which I'll show you. I know some people like to use like the little styrofoam heads or something like that, but game changer, boo. You can put it on the Slay Band. It's magnetic, so it holds those. What I like to do, I put my product on top, and then I clip the clips on the sides, because y'all know I like to pre-part my knotless braids out, or you know, whatever. Boom. But say you need to put the clips up here, because you don't have to have a product. You can put the clips all on the band. So like I told y'all, it's magnetic. I like to put my clips on the side like you see right here, and then I'll put my product in the middle. And you can also use 2 products on there. I put the Shine Jam on one side right here, and then on this side I like to put the braid product. And if you would like to, you could purchase 2 different ones. You have one product right there, one right here, or you could put your combs to them. There's many different things you can do with the Slay Band. So if you have a metal end comb, you take it, boom, it's on there. You can even tuck the comb right there, like while you're braiding, you can tuck the comb in it. Boom, 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 boom. It's very simple, y'all. I love this braid product. When I first seen it, I was like, whoa, I need it. And then I was like, brainstorm, we can sell them, or we can, you know, show other braiders the benefits of it, of the sleigh band. Y'all, if you have not bought a sleigh band, what you waiting on, sis? You braid, you be putting products on the back of your hand, don't you? You probably be putting those products on the back of your hand. Get you a sleigh band. And let's also talk about that, y'all. Putting products on your skin and then putting it on the client is very unsanitary, actually. So if you want to take the sanitary route, do this. And then you putting the product on the back of your hand, it's just melting it anyways. Your body temperature is heating that product up. You need this sleigh band. When the last time you seen something like this? Like, it's such a, you know, a good gadget. I'm about to take my pictures for it, for the promotion and all that stuff. So yeah, y'all just come on with me. I'm about to get my laptop, go ahead and add this stuff on there, and this is just gonna be like another entrepreneur episode where y'all see me doing things like this. And I also need to package a couple of orders. I need to try to ship them out today. I've already started putting some orders in progress, and I just need to ship those. And I need to go to the beauty spot. It's stuff I need to do today, but right now we're just going to focus on getting these sleigh bands ready for the website and all of that good stuff. So yeah, y'all, come on with me. So for the pictures, I'm going to be taking them on this. I found this little fabric from Walmart. I got like a yard or two for like $5, I think. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take these out the pack just to take pictures. And I'm going to leave the film on there, but I'm going to go ahead and set these up real nice so I can show the new colors that we have. And then I'm going to take the pictures, show y'all how the pictures came out, and then I'm also going to put them on the website. But like I said, when this video is uploaded, they'll already be on the website and ready to purchase. Alright, y'all, so now I just have to count everything and make sure I have the correct number in each color that I ordered. You know, sometimes with these companies, you know, you place an order for something, but they don't put the exact amount that you ordered, but they gave me my whole amount, so that's good. So now I'm about to just pull my website up. I took the pictures, and I just have to email them to my computer so I can upload them on the website, and then I'm going to show y'all a screen record. I'm gonna screen record showing my website, letting y'all see the sleigh bands, and yeah. Okay, so I just updated the website. I'm gonna put a clip in right here showing you what to do when you go to the site to get to the multiple colors. So you click on the link, and then you'll see the sleigh bands pop up. You click there, and then you'll see the different options where you can choose from the different colors that they have. You choose which color you want, you just add it to your cart, and then you check out. And if you want to add some more stuff to your cart, you can do that. Totally fine. Y'all, for next month, I do plan to have more items added to the site because it will be my 1-year anniversary of having my Slayed by Ray hair co. So I do plan on adding more items to the site soon. Of course, by next month there will be more stuff up there. But for right now, I just needed to know. I knew that I needed to get that sleigh band restock done because y'all were going crazy with it and y'all completely sold out of sleigh bands when I had that sale. But for right now, there's not going to be a sale on these until next month, but you can still go on the site and purchase them, and I will see y'all in the next video.